Assalamu alaikum, my friends. Fasting is not just about weight loss. It's one of the most powerful tools to prevent chronic diseases. Let's understand why. When you fasting, insulin drops, inflammation decreases, autophagy activates, fat is used as fuel, liver gets rest, gut heals, metabolism resets. These benefits protect you from diabetes, fatty liver, high blood pressure, heart disease, obesity, PCOS, PCOD, erectile dysfunction, even early aging. Prevents diabetes. Fasting lowers insulin resistance, the root cause of diabetes. Heals fatty liver. Without constant food, liver starts burning stored fat. Protects the heart. Lowers triglyceride level, LDL oxidation and inflammation. Balances hormones like cortisol, growth hormone, testosterone, thyroid all improve with fasting. Improves brain health. BDNF, brain derived neurotrophic factor, increases. Better memory, focus, and mood. How fast? Easily. Start with 12 hours, move to 14, 16 hours to 18 hours, then omit one meal a day. Drink water, green tea, black coffee, breakfast with protein plus good fat. Avoid sugar, rice, bread, fried foods. Do light exercise while fasting. Fat burns faster. Fasting is not punishment, it's healing. It's how Allah designed the body to rest, repair, and restore. Practice fasting and chronic diseases stay far away. Assalamu alaikum.
JK Lifestyle, stay healthy without medicine.